Okay, so the boss asked you to create a stacked bar chart, but wants you to rearrange the way the bars are displayed because he thinks the chart looks sloppy. So, how are you going to fix the chart's appearance and get the boss off your case? To begin, in simple terms, stacked bar graphs are used to compare numbers between levels of categories, and the length of each bar indicates the numerical value. As a best practice, it's typical to have the bars organized from largest to smallest. The problem is when you create your bar graph in Excel, there's a good chance the bars won't be organized properly, so the issue becomes how to fix it. For example, if we select our data and then go up and click Insert Bar Graph Stack Column, you'll notice when the graph is created, it looks like our largest set of numbers, in this case the dog care, is in the middle. Now, most people would try to rearrange the original data to change the appearance of the chart, but there is a better way, and that is to hover over the bar you want to change, right-click, and then choose Select Data. Now, here's where it gets a bit funky, and you'll have to think things through a bit. The temptation is to click on the item you want to move, and then click Move Down. But that won't work, because for whatever reason, these items are in reverse. Go figure. So the option you want to go with is Move Up. Think of clicking on Move Up as moving towards the axis. I know, it makes no sense, but it works, so I'll take it. Next, it looks like we'll need to move the dog accessories up as well. So that looks good. As a bonus, if you decide to go with the horizontal bar chart, the concept is the same. Right-click on the series you want to move, choose Select Data. From there, click on the one you want to move, and move it up towards the axis. And that will pretty much do it. Okay, now before you go, here are some other tutorials that will teach you how to do other cool things in Excel, so feel free to check them out. Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't be shy about liking and sharing this video as well, and we will see you next time.